If you're planning on staying at the Montebello Beldeniz Hotel in Oludeniz, then this video is for you. We're outside the front and we're going to do a full walking tour and show you exactly what it's like. So this is a B&B hotel. It's a lovely, more relaxed hotel. This is the reception area that we've got here. Merhaba, how are you? Good to see you. So we've got a nice, relaxed, chilled. It's nice and quiet, peaceful. That's what we like, right? We've got Reggie here. Merhaba. How are you?
Yeah, good. Thanks, mate.
Good to see you. Very good. So yeah, this is where you can be seen now. It's very early in the season. It's only the 5th of May now. So do not be fooled by this, because this is going to be a very busy place once the season kicks off fully. But we've got here the pool table you can have. You can even read a book here. Look at this. Take your pick. We've got a lovely view. So the strip is just over here, literally over this building. You got the strip where you've got all your restaurants, your bars, so you're very close, but also a good distance away. So if you want the quiet, you have it here as well. You've got the bar here as well. This is for the night time, so when you want to come and have a nice drink. Merhaba, how are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. And this is the first view of the pool area. Look at this. Very nice. And we're going to go down and have a little look. So this, like I say, is a smaller B&B. They have 50 rooms in this place. And if you want to book anything in this place, I'm a travel agent, so I could give you a quote and check it out. But I'm going to go, how do we get round to down? Is it down here?
Yes.
Ah, okay. This is cool. And then, yeah, we'll be able to see a room?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Ah, so you got the sign here, restaurant, bar, WC. You can make your way down to this area. Oh, this is lovely. So you got some seating here.
This is breakfast area.
This is the breakfast area. Ah, so yeah, so you get all the breakfast is standard bed and breakfast, isn't it? Yeah. You've got all your hot water, your coffee, you got your juices, your teas, everything here. You've got a toaster. And you have obviously all your breakfast here. It's currently now, it's like 6 o'clock in the evening, so it's a bit of a later time in the day to film, so people are getting ready to go out for the night. And then this is the pool bar that they have here as well, and of course you can get all your usual drinks and everything. They've got a fridge over here. You got all your different drinks in there as well. Very nice. They've even got Heinz ketchup. Look at that. Very important. And then here is the pool area for you to have a look at. So you got lots of seating area, loads of sunbeds. Really nice. Loads of sunbeds here. This is what you want. So you shouldn't be worried about not getting a sunbed in the morning. You're hanging out by the pool. Let's do a little pool check. Oh, that's actually, do you know what? I've been doing some pool checks on the videos recently, and that's probably the warmest one. It's not like hot or anything, but it's definitely not chilly. And then obviously got another beautiful view here. Obviously all the mountains in the background, and so the beach is there. So when you come out of this hotel, so you'd literally come out of the hotel and you can go straight down there, and then you can either go left to the strip or you can go right, and then you come onto the Dolmus Road, which is right here, and there's more restaurants, bars, and you go straight down to the beach. So you're literally less than a 5-minute walk, not even 5 minutes to the beach, maybe 3 to 4 minute walk to the beach. But yeah, this is what you can be doing. You could be staying here at this place, and there is the WC toilet, so it's downstairs just there. So this is back up to the reception area, and we're going to go and have a look at a room so that we can show you what you're potentially going to be sleeping in. Merhaba. Right, let's go through here. So there's some stairs up, so we're going to get a good view. It's nice and clean around here. Yeah, well, that's what I've noticed. It's nice and clean. It's very chilled. So here is the room that you could be saying, ooh, very nice. It's big wardrobes to start with. Oh wow, this is very nice. So you got a big bed, very big. Yeah, it's nice. You got your hanging lights. You got air conditioning, of course, and of course you got your bedside units. And you've got in here. You got a fridge. Very good. With water in there, very important because people like that. And we've even got a menu. Is there a menu?
Menu.
For
just the information.
I don't know, all the information as well. Very good. 2 glasses, and we're going to show you the bathroom in just a minute. But this is the balcony. Let me show you. Oh, you got a lovely view. Lovely view. There's the beach. There's the beautiful sea right there. And you got the amazing mountains, and you can see the people are still doing the paragliding. It's obviously Ölüdeniz is very famous for. And this, I mean, this could be your room. You could be overlooking the pool. This is very nice. So yeah, you see 2 chairs. You've got your table in the middle, and this is another room view. And we won't mess the bed up, but let's do a little bed test. Oh yes, yeah, that's nice. That's comfortable. I could go to sleep, so I'm not going to. I've been filming loads of hotel videos, and this is this is big. I didn't expect it to be this size. This is a good size bathroom. Massive shower. Wow, you got your sink. You got hairdryer. You got your shampoos and everything. You've got some more storage space in here. Very nice. You've got 2 mirrors. You've got hand soap. And you've got a big shower here. You could get 1, 2, 3, 4 people in the shower. But and you've got the big shower head as well. And you've got the little one. And they also have shampoo, gels, conditioners. So if you don't want to pack that, you don't have to. But this is lovely finish. I didn't expect it to be this big. Mirror, and then I've got to show you as well. Lovely wardrobe space. Very nice. Loads of hangers. So you got no excuse. You could probably throw your suitcase in there as well. Get it out of the way. And then there's another one here. Oh, and you got your safe.
Safe including.
Included. No extra costs. No. Look at that. No extra costs with the safe as well. But yeah, this is a nice room. I'll show you one more time. This is nice. And the fridge is included as well? Everything. Aircon is included as well? Yes. Come on, that's very good. Very, very good. Thank you for showing me the room. I appreciate it. This is room 311, just in case. Might be a popular room now. Everyone wants to stay at this room. But yeah, this is a really nice place. It's a very good location. You're kind of set back, so it's not too noisy. It's not loud at night time. You can relax, but you're very close to everything as well. You want to go to the strip. You want to go to the beach. You want to get the Dolmus up to Saranu. You can do it all at this lovely place. Is there anything else for me to show the people, or?
This nighttime the extra meal we serve you.
Oh, nighttime. You do a la carte at nighttime. Yeah. So there's a lovely seating area.
Nice terrace.
Nice little terrace here. Yeah, this is nice. You've got a lovely little terrace area here, and they do a la carte, so you can get your dinner here as well, and you can have a lovely view, sitting here overlooking. And there you go, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's been a nice little tour here. So if you want to get in touch, check out this hotel, and we can give you some prices on it. But either way, guys, yeah, I hope this video has helped you out. So next time you're in Oludeniz, this could be where you're staying. And finally, guys, when you are out here, of course, you need some mobile data on your phone. You don't want to keep using Wi-Fi's and everything like that. And you don't want to use your roaming, because it costs you a lot of money. I've got my own eSIM company. It's called Arrive. It's my own thing, and I'm trying to build it up and be #1 in Turkey, like that, at least as a minimum. So please try my eSIM before you go away. You can buy data while you're here as well. We're not banned in this country like a lot of the eSIMs, like Airalo and Holofly and Maya. They're banned. Like you have to buy it before you go out. You can't get it while you're here, but you can with mine. It's Arrive. We are the lowest costing eSIM, so we're cheaper than all of them anyway. Your phone should not be a luxury. It should be an essential. You should be able to just use your phone as normal. So check us out. Use my discount code Arrive10, and I promise you'll always use us. But anyway, guys, until the next one, don't forget to subscribe to me, follow me. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.